Hi, my name's Aaron Weike. I'm a product manager for safety products at SICK. At the booth today at PAC Expo, we're showcasing a collaborative robot with a lot of different technologies being used. And with the collaborative robots, we've got RFID technology, we've got safety, and we have some detection sensors as well, utilizing some LiDAR. So I wanted to give you an overview of how this works and what we're using. The concept is using RFID technology. We can write to a tag and tell our laser etching machine what to write on the side of a cup. As we're approaching the robot, it goes to a safe speed, but is still moving to help increase productivity and work with efficiency and increase that. So if we were to scan the barcode and let the robot speed up, I'll move away. It'll go back to a fast speed now that I'm not in a scanner protective zone. The robot's asking me to place a cup. The robot's going to put the cup into the laser etching machine and close the lid, provide that protection so that no one's injured by the lasers. In addition to the protective guarding, we've got microscan scanners in the upper left and upper right corner of this display, providing protection from the power supply and the laser itself. The cup is being laser etched. I can move closer. As the cup gets done, the robot's going to go in, grab the cup, and present it to me to take home. So again, the RFID technology in front is initiating the laser etching machine to etch something onto the cup. We've got safety laser scanners, which I'll show you in a second, that can slow down the robot instead of stop it. Historically, a stopped robot is a safe robot. With collaborative robots and moving into the future, we can definitely use safety laser scanners and other safety technology to make the robot go at a safe speed. So if you can see the screen in the back, you'll see some protective fields free right now. The robot's going at full speed. As I approach the scanner, the fields are being blocked and the robot's going at a safe speed. In addition, we've got scanners on the side that can do sequence monitoring. As I move closer to the robot, as an operator, I can work with the robot and do what needs to be done. And then the scanner is going to monitor that I leave this zone in the same way. So as I leave the zone, it will recognize that, and the robot goes back to full speed. Finally, we're showcasing LiDAR technology with our TIM scanner, monitoring that a cup is in place. So if this process was moving a lot quicker, this robot's not going to place a second cup on the pedestal if a cup is already there. So as I remove this, the robot will then be able to do its next process and add another cup. So again, we're showcasing safety, we're showcasing LiDAR, and we're showcasing RFID technology within our collaborative robot booth.